far as the S&P, I mean, we were down for a little bit, popped right back up. We're above that zone. We're holding above what I thought would be a problematic zone, holding above. And it's not to say too much that we're probably going to hit this zone, but I'm really not worried about sellers until we get there. So maybe we push up tomorrow, Tuesday. We have this. Wednesday's pre-market excuse will be red. Boom, that'd be perfect. I am bullish tomorrow. If that were to send it down, I'm buying that up again, because I do think tech will be the reason we land in this zone or this zone by the end of the week. If tech has good earnings this week, we'll be at this top zone. And if we look at the NASDAQ right here, we do have a big tech week, so Wednesday and Thursday will be the deciding factor. We hit that zone, we sold off, but again, we're right back above. We're just really holding above that blue zone for now, kind of setting up not a bull flag, but bull flag activities, you know. And then again, a great week, and we send it to this zone right here. Definitely keeping an eye out for that. Grandpa Dow just looks bullish. We hit that zone, found the sellers, found a couple more sellers at that kind of the type 2 area, and we're gearing up to push up, kind of keeping that grind up, really getting above this blue zone. I think we're tackling that. At that point, we have higher lows, higher highs, getting to that zone. This is that big leg down, but I think if we start really marching in higher lows and higher highs, we'll hit this area. We'll pull back. That'll end up just being the next higher high. You know, that's kind of what I'm thinking where we sit right now.